today we got this heavy duty platform truck that we're gonna put together. Usually this, you find them at Home Depot, Lowe's and stuff like that. Now you can get them for your shops. And so we got one because we carry a lot of stuff. One really important thing, when you use this truck, make sure you keep it under 2,000 pounds because you don't want to overdo it on the load to push it. So on the front goes the wheels that don't swivel, and on the back side we put the ones that swivel with the locks. They're really heavy duty, they're really heavy. It also comes with a lock, so you can lock it in place when you put it together. When you lock the wheels, make sure you don't put your hand because it has a lot of tension. So get a hammer, a piece of wood, or your foot. One thing that is a good idea is when you put the handle, put the car in a high elevation. That way it's really easy to put on, and you bolt through the bottom as you see. So make sure you always have an adjustable wrench, a hand, because we got a set of sockets, but they're small. So as you see, it has a 360 swivel on the wheels. Really easy to manage. And it has a brake right there that you step on it with your foot. So it's locked. So it doesn't go nowhere. You gotta lock both of them when you got something heavy. Your foot.